In this video, we want to integrate ln of x over x to the fifth. And it's a pretty good bet that whenever you have a natural log multiplied or divided by a variable, in this case x to the fifth, integration by parts is going to work. And you can have some others also, but in this one I'm going to go with integration by parts. So I'm going to pick u to equal ln of x. Natural log is easy to differentiate. And then the other part I'm going to use here is 1 over x to the fifth. So my dv will equal to 1 over x to the fifth, and I'm going to write that as x to the negative 5. So in the first one, du would equal to the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x dx. And the dv I integrate with respect to v on the left side with respect to x on the right side. So I add 1 to that negative 5, I get a negative 4. And then I divide the coefficient, in this case 1, by negative 4, I get a negative 1/4. And then we apply the formula here for integration by parts. Once you set this up, the first part of the answer is the product of u and v. So I'm going to put the v first, so it's going to be minus 1/4 x to the negative 4 times the u would be ln of x. And then the next part of the formula I integrate, but it's minus first, minus the integral, and the first part of this is v, which is right here. It'll be negative 1/4, and then it's x to the negative 4. And then this is multiplied by du here, which is 1 over x dx. Okay, so I'll continue over here then. The first part stays the same here. Negative 1/4 x to the negative 4 ln of x. And then I have a double negative here, so this would make this a plus. It'll be the integral of, and notice I have x to the negative 4 and 1 over x, so bring this upstairs, becomes a negative 1, x to the negative 1, so I write this as 1/4. It's just x to the negative 5 then. And dx. So again, I have the product of u and v here, first part of the answer. I put v first, and then the natural log, and then I have minus, and then I have the v is minus 1/4 x to the negative 4, and then the du is 1 over x dx. This double negative here makes it a plus, and then 1 over x, bring it up, x negative 1 becomes x to the negative 5, and then we continue to integrate the second integral there. This is negative 1/4 x to the negative 4 times natural log of x. And now we integrate this integral here. So we add 1 to the negative 5, makes it a negative 4. So we divide the 1/4 by negative 4, makes that a negative 1 over 16. Again, I'm adding 1 to the negative 5, make it a negative 4, x to the negative 4, and we divide the 1/4 coefficient by negative 4. So 1/4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1 over 16. This is plus the constant of integration. So the final answer then is negative 1/4 x to the negative 4 times the natural log of x minus 1 over 16 x to the negative 4 constant of integration. There's your answer there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.